Today I received this package of EVGA power supply, 750 watt platinum, 80 plus power supply. Today I'm going to unbox this power supply and I'm going to install this on my Alienware desktop PC. This is the original power supply from Dell Alienware Aurora 10. And this is, in fact, 550 watt, 80 plus gold rated power supply produced by Dell. Before installing the new EVGA Supernova 750 watt power supply, I need to briefly study the original power supply and what kind of cables it comes with. First of all, this is a motherboard cable. I think it's 24 pin motherboard cable. This, we have it on EVGA power supply. This one is 8 pin, 6 pin plus 2 pin, supposed to be VGA cable to be attached to the graphics card. Since I only have one graphics card, which is NVIDIA RTX 2060 Super. So in this case, I only need one of them. There's actually an additional power cable for an additional graphics card. Since I only have one of them, I do not need this one. And there must be a CPU cable, and this, I suppose, 8 pin is 8 pin CPU cable. We need this. We need this definitely. Here's SATA cable for hard drives and optical drives. I don't have an optical drive, but I have one 2.5 inch HDD and additionally 2 SSD hard drive. They're also 2.5 inch. So that means the EVGA power supply comes with many additional cables, including 2 CPU cables and several VGA cables, as well as SATA cables. But in this case, on my PC, Aurora 10, we only need 5 cables, according to my brief study on the original power supply unit. First of all, let's see. These are, I guess these are SATA cables. Yeah, let's put it right there. This one is motherboard cable. So let's first attach the motherboard cable on the power supply. This is very easy to figure out where to attach which cable. Let's see. Motherboard, yes. Start with motherboard. Closer. Motherboard cable is a little bit tight over here. So, okay, we attached the motherboard cable. Now let's start from CPU cable. This is supposed to be the CPU cable, 8-pin CPU. It's written here. I only have one CPU. For this reason, I only need one CPU cable attached to CPU 1. And now comes VGA cable. This side will be attached to the graphics card. This one will be attached to this VGA slot. One of them. There are altogether 4 VGA slots. Since I only need one of them is enough. In my case, VGA 1. At the end, we need multiple SATA cables. Since I have altogether 3 hard drives, I need at least 2 cables. So let's see, SATA 1. Let's start from SATA 1. Last cable goes to SATA 2. SATA 2. Now, this is supposed to be enough for starting my PC. Well, after some cable management, I have installed the new power supply perfectly, I would say. It perfectly fits my PC case, but I ended up using 3 SATA cables altogether. 2 for 2 SSD and 1 for HDD hard drive. And now it's all set. Let's turn this on and let's have a look how it works.